Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to get money on Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. To get started, you will need a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask, and some Ethereum in your wallet to pay for transaction fees. First, go to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. This will take you to the Uniswap interface where you can connect your digital wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select your wallet provider from the list of options. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Once your wallet is connected, you can start trading on Uniswap. To do this, click on the Trade button and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. You can trade Ethereum for other cryptocurrencies or trade other cryptocurrencies for Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to trade and click on the Swap button. Before confirming the transaction, review the details of the trade, including the amount you are trading, the exchange rate, and the transaction fees. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button to complete the trade. Your digital wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction and pay the transaction fees. Another way to get money on Uniswap is by providing liquidity to the protocol. To do this, click on the Pool button and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to provide liquidity for. Enter the amount of liquidity you want to provide and click on the Add Liquidity button. You will receive a portion of the transaction fees generated by the pool in proportion to the amount of liquidity you provided. It is essential to understand the risks associated with trading on Uniswap, including market volatility and smart contract risks. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, make sure to keep your digital wallet and Uniswap account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, getting money on Uniswap is a straightforward process that requires a digital wallet, some Ethereum, and a basic understanding of cryptocurrency trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start trading on Uniswap and potentially earn money by providing liquidity to the protocol. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before making any investment decisions.